Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer files, large files, let's say code, using WeTransfer to your email inbox. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a folder that you wish to transfer, and we need an internet connection as we will be using WeTransfer. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to google.com, type in WeTransfer. Click on this. Now go to WeTransfer.com. This will allow us to send large files and share photos online. And so we can upload files, add up to 2 gigabytes. We will require the email that we are sending to, so let's just use admin@ComputerScienceVideos.com. My email a title, let's just say code. A message, let's just say and then let's just click on the 3 dots, send email transfer or get transfer link. This will be an email transfer. Let's click on upload files. This will take us to the desktop. Click on code, upload. 39 files have been added. We can transfer. Verify your email. So just one quick check to make sure you're really you. We've sent a verification code to the email, which I will now open. I have now received the code, which I'm going to copy. Command C, go back to WeTransfer, add in the code and verify. It may really take some time depending on the size of the file itself. And so that itself looks like it's done. We can now minimize Safari for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Let's just go to Outlook. And now I should have been sent an email from WeTransfer with the attachment of the files. Let's now click on Get Your Files. I accept, agree, download. And the download itself has been completed. So there we go. The code has been downloaded directly to the downloads folder. So we can now quit Google Chrome, quit Finder, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.